Hi everyone, this is Teacher Jen from Camgosh.com and welcome to Essential Grammar in Use Book by Raymond Murphy. Today we will discuss a new lesson and it's about the word should. Should. Now what is should? Should is an auxiliary verb, a modal auxiliary verb. We use should mainly to give advice or make recommendations, talk about obligation, talk about probability and expectation, express the conditional mood, replace the subjunctive structure. So again, these are the uses of should. Most of the time, we use it to give advice or make recommendations, talk about obligation, and talk about probability and expectation. How do we make sentences with the word should? This is the structure of should. We have the subject followed by the word should and then the main verb. Subject, should, main verb. Let's have some examples. This is a positive sentence. Let's read. He should go. He should go. We have the subject, the word should, and then the main verb go. It's just the same with the negative sentence. We have the subject. He should not go. He shouldn't go. Subject is he. The auxiliary verb should plus the word not because it's negative, and then the main verb go. Next, how about forming question sentences with the word should? We just have to exchange the places of the subject and the auxiliary verb, just like other verbs or auxiliary verbs. So, first one is the auxiliary verb should and then the subject. Should he go? Should he go? Now, let's have more examples. Let's take a look at this picture. There's the mother and then the daughter. The daughter is watching TV. The mother said, "You shouldn't watch TV so much. You shouldn't watch TV so much." What does the mother mean? So here, we can think that the mother is giving her daughter an advice about watching TV. She thinks watching TV is bad, so that's why she said, "You shouldn't watch TV so much." Now, this is the structure of making sentences with the word should. Let's read the following. As you can see, we have the subject first, our auxiliary verb should, and then our main verb. That's the structure. Let's read the following. I should do. We should stop. You should go. They should go, or they should watch. He shouldn't do. She shouldn't stop. It shouldn't go. Now, you should do something. This means it is a good thing to do. It is the right thing to do. Again, when you say you should do something to someone, that means you're saying that it's a good thing to do. It is the right thing to do. Let's have some examples. Tom doesn't study enough. He should study harder. Tom doesn't study enough. He should study harder. So here, you are saying that Tom should study harder because it is the right thing to do. Why? Because he doesn't study enough. Next, it's a good film. You should go and see it. It's a good film. You should go and see it. Here, we used should go and see it. Now, you are recommending, you are saying that the film or movie is a good thing to watch. That's why you said you should go. Next, when you play tennis, you should always watch the ball. When you play tennis, you should always watch the ball. Here, we are giving an advice. We are saying that it is a good thing or a right thing to do if a person will watch the ball. So, person should always watch the ball when That person is playing tennis. Now, let's go on to the negative sentences. When you say you shouldn't do something, that means it is not a good thing to do. Of course, it is the opposite of the positive sentence. Shouldn't, that's the contraction of the words should not. So we can say should not or shouldn't. Now let's go on. Tom shouldn't go to bed so late. Tom shouldn't go to bed so late. Here we are saying that it is not a good thing to do, or it is not a good thing for Tom to go bed so late. Of course, he can have some problems, or he can have some complications if he will do that. Next, you watch TV all the time. You shouldn't watch TV so much. You watch TV all the time. You shouldn't watch TV so much. So here, we are saying that the person should not watch TV so much. Why? It is not a good thing to do. Because that person watches TV all the time, and that is bad. Very good, students. Now, I would like you to review this lesson and remember or memorize all the important information about the word should and the negative should not. Remember that this word is very helpful so that you can express yourself more in English. Now, I would like to encourage you to enroll in camglish.com's classes so that you can express yourself more and we can help you improve your English skills. Now, this is the end of our lesson. I hope you learned something. This is Teacher Jen from camglish.com saying goodbye and see you on your next video. Goodbye.